Hello everyone, I'm making this video for anyone who is thinking about investing in the Australian share market but has no idea how to go about starting. Now the first thing I want to stress is that share trading is basically gambling, in the sense that you can win and make a profit or you can lose, so never invest any money that you are not willing to lose. Second thing is research. Using the internet you can find just about any information about any traded company or funds that you wish to invest in. Google answers all questions. Third thing is, what kind of trader do you want to be? Myself, I'm a long-term investor, meaning I don't concern myself with short-term fluctuations of share prices. I look at the history of a stock over 5 years, try to buy it at a low point and build my portfolio, all the while receiving dividends for the shares that I own, which I in turn reinvest. This video will show you how to trade on the Commsec Trading platform. I choose this platform because I do all my primary banking through Commonwealth, so it was easy for me to set up. But all other big banks have their own platforms. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you will want to do is open a Commonwealth Direct Investment account, a CDIA account. This will be the account that you deposit money into that you wish to trade with. When you buy stocks, this is the account that will be debited when the trade is confirmed. This is also the account that will be credited any dividends or credits from stocks that you sell. Once you have opened the CDIA account, you may notice that NetBank now has two new accounts, the CDIA account and Commsec Shares. If you click on Commsec Shares account, it will take you directly to the Commsec Trading platform. You may also notice that at the top left of the screen there is now two tabs, one for NetBank and one for Commsec. You can use these tabs to switch between the two. On to trading. With Commsec, the minimum trade is $500. This is a good idea when you think about it, because brokerage costs for trades under $1,000 is $10. If you could buy individual stocks one at a time, it would still cost $10 brokerage for each trade, so it is more cost effective to do bigger trades. The first stock I ever bought was Wesfarmers. I think this is a safe stock to buy, mainly because as a stock it is already diversified. Wesfarmers consists of many different companies: Coles, Bunnings, Kmart, Target and Officeworks, just to name a few. I felt it was a safe buy because it's not likely all of these different companies will go bust at the same time. Also, Wesfarmers being made up of multiple companies means multiple streams of profit, and a percentage of that profit goes to shareholders in the form of dividends. As you can see here on the right of the screenshot, there are two tables, one for the quote and the other for market depth. This shows how many people are currently buying or selling Wesfarmers shares, and for what price. Share price can vary throughout the day, so I set my price limit on the lowest seller's price. Or if I think that the price will rise and I need to buy fast, I will go market. For example, when Masters Hardware closed down, I figured that Bunnings, their direct competitor owned by Wesfarmers, would rally, and they did. My main research tool I use is Google. Just by typing in WESASX in the search bar, I get all the information I need about Wesfarmers with a graph of visual aid over the 5 years period. Now, as a long-term investor, my plan is to build my portfolio to the point that whenever my shares pay dividends, I can simply buy more shares. Once this is achieved, it becomes like a snowball effect, or like compound interest on a savings account, but with much better returns. With Google you can find shares with decent dividends, but I like morningstar.com.au. It shows all ASX codes with company names and dates for when shares will be recorded for dividend payments, also the value of those payments, and it is updated constantly. Once you have established a portfolio, Commsec has many helpful tools like health checks, which scans your portfolio and give you a buy-sell recommendation or a sector diversification check. This is taken from a poll of participating brokers. Once you have made a trade, it can take up to 2 to 3 business days for the trade to be confirmed. You can see the settlement dates on the Commsec homepage, estimated settlements. Now I'd like to explain why I believe share trading, while more of a risk, has a better payoff than savings. As you can see here, the interest rate on the standard NetBank saver account is 0.80% per annum. That's only 0.067% per month. Using a previous trade of West stock as an example, the total value was $541.86, so I'll use that as my balance. If I apply that 0.067% interest rate per month to the balance, I make roughly 36 cents in interest a month, and over a full year I make a total of $4.37. Now, based on the last two dividend payments made by Wesfarmers in September 2017 and April of 2018, and apply that to the number of shares I own from that trade of the same value, you can see a huge difference. If I have 11 shares that I bought for $541.86, I get $1.20 per share in September and $1.03 per share in April. That's a total profit of $24.53. That's a difference of $20.15 over 12 months. That might not seem like much, but imagine if I own hundreds if not thousands of shares, and that's not including the value of the stock going up. As you can see, I currently own 56 shares of Wesfarmers, which I bought at $41.08. Current price is $49.02. So if I was to sell all of my Wesfarmers shares, I would make a profit of just on value of $454.44. This does not include any dividends I've earned in that time that I've owned these shares. As you can see, I have some stocks that have gone up in value and some that have gone down. So again, I want to stress that you should never invest any more money than you are willing to lose. I have made some gains and losses on all of my shares, and this only shows a single day's change. But like I said, I am playing the long game, and although I do watch the daily prices, they don't concern me as much as the dividend outcome. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful. Please, if you have any questions or you want to correct me or give me tips on anything I missed, leave a comment. Constructive criticism is welcome if it means I make money.